Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Saroj Digital Learning. Hope you all are doing well. Keep yourself healthy, fit, and fine. So, today we are going to learn a new concept in mathematics concept on percentage, which we use in our daily life at different places. So, let us understand. Students, take out your notebooks and write this down. Points to remember, read and write. What is percentage? What is percentage? Students, the word cent means the word cent means 100 and percent means per 100. So a percentage is a percentage is a comparison made with a total made with a total which is taken to be 100 parts. To be 100 parts. The sign for percentage is this. Student, we will learn the percentage in the form of fraction. Percentage in the form of fraction and fraction in the form of percentage. First, we will learn percentage in the form of fraction. For example, 48% means 48 parts of a total of 100 parts. So 48 out of 100 means 48 upon 100 is equal to, we have to divide 100 and 48. The answer is 12 upon 25 part, means 12 parts of a total of 25 parts. 12 parts, a total of 25 parts. Now 25% means 25 parts of a total of 100 parts. Total of 100 parts. So 25 out of 100 means 25 upon 100 is equal to, we have to divide 25 by 100. The answer is 1 by 4. 25 on the 25 and 25 for the 100 part. It is called quarter part. Quarter part. Now we'll learn fraction in the form of percentage. In the form of percentage. Here 9 upon 25 is equal to, we have to multiply 9 multiplied by 4 upon 25 multiplied by 4 is equal to 9 for the 36 and 25 for the 100. Now students, 9 upon 25 part of the total that is 36 upon 100 or 36%. 36%. Now second, 140 upon 200 is equal to, we have to divide 140 divided by 2 and 200 to 2. The answer is 140 divided by 2 is 70 and 200 divided by 2, the answer is 100. That is 70%. Remember students, equivalent fraction can be used to make the denominator 100. Now let us solve some examples. The question is, for summative evaluation in a certain school, 720 of the 1200 children were awarded A grade in maths. What is the percentage of students getting A grade? Solution: we have to find the percentage of students getting A grade. Solution: suppose the students, we have to suppose the students getting A grade are x. Let us write in two forms. The ratio of number of students getting A grade to the total number of students obtain an equation and solve it. Suppose the students getting A grade are x. X upon 100 is equal to 720 are the students who scored A grade and 1200 are the total students. Now we have to multiply both the sides by 100. X upon 100 multiplied by 100 is equal to 720 upon 1200 multiplied by 100. Now students, we have to solve. अब ये हमको सॉल्व करना है. ये हमने ये 100 और ये 100 कट कर दिए और लेफ़्ट हैंड साइड के इक्वेशन में हमने ये 100 और ये 100 कट कर दिया. अब राइट हैंड साइड की जो इक्वेशन है वहाँ पर 720 अपॉन 1200 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100 है. तो हम लोग ये 20 एंड 20 ये कट कर दिए. नाउ वी हैव टू डिवाइड 720 अप बाय 12. तो हमको अभी 720 को 12 से डिवाइड करना है. तो 12 1 ज़ा 12, 12 6 ज़ा 72. We will write the 0 as it is. Therefore, x is equal to 60. Now, the answer is 60% students got A grade. Hope you understood. Students, we will be solving one more example. Stay tuned for the next video.